Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. You on a sunny Mediterranean beach, the gentle breeze carrying the scent of the sea. What if I told you that this isn't just a dream vacation, but the gateway to a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle? Welcome to the Mediterranean diet, the ultimate secret to a healthier you. Secret 1. The Mediterranean magic. Now let's unveil the first secret of this captivating diet. Imagine a plate filled with ripe tomatoes, drizzled with golden olive oil, and paired with creamy feta cheese. Your taste buds rejoice in the symphony of fresh herbs and spices, and you're on a culinary adventure like no other. But it's not just about the flavors, it's about the science behind the magic. This diet is linked to longevity and a lower risk of chronic diseases. It's like having a potion of youth in your plate. Researchers have discovered that the antioxidants in fruits and vegetables, combined with heart-healthy fats and olive oil, can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even certain cancers. Secret 2. The holistic approach. So, here's where the Mediterranean diet truly shines. It's not just about what you eat. It's a holistic approach to well-being. It encourages regular physical activity, mindful eating, and the joy of sharing meals with loved ones. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle that nourishes your body and soul. Imagine waking up each morning, eager to embrace the day with a brisk walk along the beach or through a scenic park. Your body becomes your temple, and with each step, you're building a stronger, healthier you. Secret 3. The power of balance. Balance is the key to success in life, and that's true for your plate too. The Mediterranean diet is all about balance. It's like a symphony where each ingredient plays its unique role in creating harmony. Think of your plate as a canvas. You've got your colorful veggies, your lean proteins like fish and poultry, whole grains, and those good fats from nuts and olives. It's a masterpiece of nutrition. Secret 4. The Mediterranean mindset. But it's not just about what you eat, it's about how you eat it. Imagine sitting under the warm Mediterranean sun, savoring each bite, and engaging in lively conversations with family and friends. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. Here's a question for you to ponder. Are you ready to embrace this Mediterranean mindset and enjoy your meals with gratitude and joy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Secret 5. The transformation. The transformation that the Mediterranean diet can bring into your life is remarkable. Imagine shedding those extra pounds, feeling more energetic than ever, and experiencing mental clarity like never before. It's like unlocking a hidden superpower within you. The Mediterranean diet isn't a fad. It's a sustainable way of life that will make you wonder why you didn't start earlier. Secret 6. The Mediterranean diversity. One of the lesser-known secrets of the Mediterranean diet is its incredible diversity. Imagine a colorful mosaic of flavors from different Mediterranean countries, each contributing its own unique charm to this culinary masterpiece. From the hearty stews of Greece to the aromatic spices of Morocco, the Mediterranean diet is a gastronomic adventure that never gets old. It's like having a passport to travel through your taste buds. Secret 7. The sweet side of life. Now let's talk about something we all love, that is dessert. You might think that a diet focused on health wouldn't leave much room for sweet indulgence, but that's where the Mediterranean diet surprises you. Imagine savoring a slice of sweet, juicy watermelon or a bowl of fresh berries drizzled with honey. These natural, wholesome treats are not only delicious but also guilt-free. It's like having your cake and eating it too, without the guilt. Secret 8. The Mediterranean family. In the Mediterranean, family is at the heart of everything. Meals are not just about nourishing the body, they're about nurturing the bonds of love and togetherness. Imagine gathering with your loved ones around a table filled with delicious, nutritious dishes. Laughter fills the air, and you share stories and experiences as you enjoy your meal. It's like a warm hug for your soul, a reminder that you're never alone on your journey to a healthier you. As we conclude our journey into the Mediterranean diet, we want to leave you with this question: are you ready to embrace this lifestyle and reap its countless benefits? The power to transform your well-being lies in your hands. Remember, the Mediterranean diet isn't just about food. It's about a holistic approach to health and happiness. So hit that subscribe button now, join our Health and Fitness Central community, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more life-changing insights right here on Health and Fitness Central. Until next time, take that first step towards a healthier you, and let's keep thriving together.